Hey guys, so I just purchased this Craftsman XSP wet dry vac, 5-gallon, 5.5 horsepower. I've been using for the last couple of years is this Rigid, the 4-gallon, 5 horsepower. And I had it for a few years. I want to say maybe 3 or 4 years, and it served me well. But the time was coming. It just wasn't performing as it should. So I went ahead and I purchased this last night because it was weighing on my brain. So at about 1 o'clock last morning, I purchased it on Lowe's. After doing a quick, I saw a couple of videos on YouTube about it, and I was just like, all right, let me go and get it. At worst, it would be as good as the Rigid. But one of the things that I saw, which is extremely interesting, the auto detailing kit from Rigid, that extended hose, connects to it. So, like right there, you can see it's freaking awesome. So now, this is the hose that came with it, and I hooked this up, and this thing is awesome. But more importantly than anything, I want to show you guys two things. How quiet it is, one, and then secondly, this thing is powerful. Maybe because my Rigid was given out. I guess I haven't felt this type of suction, but this thing is freaking awesome. So don't mind my truck. It is filthy, but it's also a perfect candidate for this. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna turn it on, guys. You can hear. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the vacuum, but more importantly, I want to show you guys that this thing is freaking great. Like I said, maybe just because my Rigid hadn't been working, but anyway, I've been so busy. I literally have not had the time to clean my own vehicle, so don't judge me. But sorry guys, I'm doing this one-handed. But this thing is good. This is real world. I'm not going to talk about it. I just wanted to show you guys. As soon as dirty as my vehicle is, it's the perfect candidate for it. So, normally I would take these out. I would pressure wash them. Use the air compressor to blow it out. So, good Lord, this made quick work of that. Not gonna have time to stress it just because I'm dirty. How dirty it was done. Here, hold on a sec. I'm gonna take this out to show you guys the set. So, here's the dirt. It's hard to do this one-handed, but this thing is this thing is freaking awesome. I mean, that literally took no effort at all. That's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Guys, that thing is freaking amazing. It's sunk, so it comes with here 20-foot hose, extension cord. The hose, I'm not sure how long it is. I mean, you guys can kind of see, but I hooked it up to the Rigid. So if you have the auto detailing kit for the Rigid vac, I mean, it connects right to it. Easy and it's just phenomenal. It comes with this, I guess, to make it more quiet, which I did have on my rigid. It's filthy. I had to purchase that, but the fact that it came with this is awesome. It's also got this. Probably one of the most annoying things about the rigid that used to bug me out was the fact that I had to like wrap up the hose some way. But look, it comes with this stuff right here, and you hook the hose up right around there. Also, the freaking extension cords, you just wrap it right back there. Guys, I mean, this thing is awesome. Now on Lowe's, I got it for $99. I didn't even check Amazon or anything because I have a job tomorrow and I want to be able to get it, today. So this will be ready to go tomorrow. You guys can check Amazon. I'm not really 100% sure. But it also comes with this nozzle here. But all of the attachments for the rigid, if you have the auto detailing toolkit. So obviously all of these, this and these two brushes and stuff, which I don't really use, but if that's your thing, you can use them. But guys, 99 bucks, man, I'm like shocked and amazed. This thing is freaking awesome. It's small, light, like it doesn't have the wheels, but if you're using this for auto detailing like I am, probably one of the things that was really annoying about the rigid was that you pull it and it would freaking roll and you'd have to worry about, oh my god, is it gonna like bump into the car or something, which is a big no-no. But I don't have to worry about it now. So with a 20-foot hose, you can literally bring to the front of the vehicle. If you attach that, you should be able to get around the entire vehicle relatively easy. But even if you have to move it, it's so light, it's very easy, guys. So just a quick video. Again, Craftsman XSP 5-gallon 5.5 horsepower vacuum. This thing is awesome. So I wasn't planning on making a vid, but it just blew me away. I just had to. So all right, guys, anybody looking for one? Rigid was good, but this is so much better. Go out and get one if you guys are in need of one. All right, peace.